I want to tell you how to make your home look and feel bigger than it really is to get you top dollar. Hey guys, it's Kyle with the Whissel Realty team, and on today's video, I want to tell you the quickest and easiest way to add value to your home, make it feel bigger, make it feel brighter, and ultimately get you the highest price possible. And it's all about lighting. Lighting is everything. So whether it's a video like this, I got these two gigantic lights shining in my face, or it's when somebody walks through your home, lighting is very, very important. So a few simple tips for you. First and foremost, every window in your house needs to be sparkling clean. I want you cleaning the insides. I want you cleaning the outsides. I want you cleaning the tracks, all of that stuff. I also want you to take the screens off. I want you to lay them out on the ground and hose them off. Spray out those screens, because the more clean your windows are, the more clean your screens are, the more light you're gonna have coming through the house. The more light you have coming through into the house, the bigger it feels. Bigger equals bigger offers. So that's a very, very important one. Second is your lighting. So there's a couple things when it comes to lighting. One, you want them to all have the same hue. So some people, we've been in their homes and they've got some lights that have a blue hue to them, some have a yellow hue, some have a white hue. You need to make sure they all have that same hue to them. Soft white is the favorite lighting for us. We don't want that bright blue, we don't want that overly bright white. That soft white is really the ideal color, so we really want to have all of the bulbs matching, ideally soft white if possible. Next up, they all need to work. Very important. You'd be shocked how many times we go into homes and people have just kind of forgot about the bulb here, the bulb there. It's just become normal for you, but buyers are going to notice that. When a buyer sees that your light bulbs aren't working, if you're too lazy to change a light bulb, what else are you too lazy to do? That's what's going to happen in a buyer's mind. So change those light bulbs, make sure they're all working. And last, make sure you put the brightest wattage possible in there. So if you can look at your light fixtures, figure out what the maximum wattage is that the fixture will take, the brighter the bulbs, the more light there's gonna be. Again, the bigger the house, the bigger the offer. So there's your tip. Lighting is everything when you're selling your home. More light, bigger, brighter, more money, bigger offers. There's your tip for the day when it comes to selling your home here in San Diego. If you want more tips from us, give me a call or shoot me a text. Kyle Whissel, 858-699-3895. Thanks for watching.